Number 1. Char Broil Signature Series Amplifire 2-Burner Gas Grill. If you're in the market for an amazing infrared grill, the Char Broil Signature Series Amplifire 2-Burner Gas Grill is your best bet. One of the top performers in our extensive testing, it offers a combination of impressive performance, user-friendly design, and advanced technology without breaking the bank. The 325 square inch cooking area is spacious enough to accommodate all your grilling needs from burgers to steaks and produces beautifully charred grill marks no matter what you're cooking. The even heat distribution ensures that your food cooks perfectly every time, and the close-together grates prevent any sticking while minimizing dripping. Plus, the infrared plates produce just the right amount of smoke for that authentic grilled flavor. Assembly may be a bit tricky, but once you have this grill up and running, it's a breeze to use. Its compact size makes it ideal for families or beginners, striking the perfect balance between being too large or too small. The price point is also very reasonable for the quality and technology you're getting. What you'll love most about this grill is its combination of performance, ease of use, and design, all at an affordable price. While it may take a bit of effort to put together, the end result is well worth it. Ready to take your grilling game to the next level? Check out the Char Broil Signature Series Amplifier 2-Burner Gas Grill today.